In this video, we are going to see that if you can't chat or there is no option to chat on Roblox mobile application, even if you click on the right hand corner. Right now I have this chat option, but if your chat is not showing on the top, and even if you click on the Roblox logo, it is not shown right here. So most probably your chat function or feature might be disabled from the backend. So what you will do is you will exit out of the game. You will leave the game from here. To leave the game, you will click on the left hand corner on the top left. You click on that Roblox icon, click on leave, and you exit from the game. Now when you exit from the game, what you need to do is you will click on the more on the bottom right hand corner, and from here you will click on this gear icon which says settings. You click on that, and from here you click on privacy and content restrictions. Here it is, the third option. You click on that, and basically you click on communication, and you go to the option of experience chat. And we just want to make sure that these experience chat features are enabled and set to on position, and also for the direct chat it should be enabled and set to on position. Alternatively, if you want the chat feature to appear in the party as well, you click on the second option, that is party, and you need to turn and toggle this group party and simple party feature on as well. So after that, you just exit out of here, you launch the game, and then you should be able to see the chat feature right there. And that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.